Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear chain compound which has two methyl and two functional group alkene and chloride. You are reacting with water. You have to guess what will be the final product. The reactant is looking so simple, but it involves new concept which is called neighboring group participation. Alkene is electron rich. It can help the leaving group to go out. So what really happens is it assists the leaving group. So you have trimember ring formation with cation. Here ring can open in either way A or B. A opening leads to the primary cation. B opening leads to the tertiary cation. Tertiary cation is more stable than primary. So if you add the water, you have final product. So the final product is rearranged product where methyl groups are switched to terminal carbon. Here I given numbering for very easy understanding, so follow it. Here the concept you have to learn here is neighboring group participation. Whenever you have electron rich group, it involved in the neighboring group participation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.